Hi guys. Let's learn how to earn with Kolotibablo. Kolotibablo is a CAPTCHA typing site that provides two types of work, typing by CAPTCHA and moderation work. Start with Kolotibablo. To join Kolotibablo, nothing more simple. Click the link in description. You will be redirected to the registration page. Type your username and a valid email address. Click on Save. Go to your mailbox, retrieve your user information. That's all. How to work. Sign into your account. Beware of case-sensitive CAPTCHAs. Kolotibablo offers you two types of work. Typing CAPTCHA, reading and type. And moderation CAPTCHA, the examination of a typed CAPTCHA, correct or not. Withdraw money. Many ways are offered. PayPal, one of the best online payment services in the world. Bitcoin is a good choice too. To know that the price of cryptocurrencies is variable. Advice: be fast and precise. As soon as you reach the minimum sum, remove it. During the day, the Kolotibablo rate is 30 cents to 50 cents, low rate. It is better to play at night, the rate is 50 cents to 65 cents per 1,000 CAPTCHAs. If you do 2,000 CAPTCHAs, within 2 weeks, your reward will increase by 20%, you will be paid $1.20 when you reach $1. Payment method: web money transfer, transferred in just 24 hours. Payza, OkPay, Payoneer etc. Payzra. The plus: it takes time to win with, but you can earn more, 75 cents a day, and $1.35 a night for 1,000 words for example. It's real money. It's a bit difficult, but it really pays. That's all for today. See you in another video.